Today, we're diving into the logic of the inverted half-pyramid pattern using C++. Let's break down how nested loops bring this pattern to life. Our goal is to create this inverted structure, where the number of stars decreases as we move down each row. The secret lies in nested loops. The outer loop manages our rows, while the inner loop handles the stars in each column. The row index controls how many lines we have, while the inner loop determines exactly how many stars appear on each of those lines. Let's see it in action with 5 rows. Starting at row 0 with 5 stars, the count begins to drop systematically as we progress. The core logic is this formula. Columns run from 0 to n- row. As the row index grows, the star count shrinks, creating the perfect inversion. In our C++ code, this is captured in the inner loop condition. Call less than n- row. This single line drives the entire pattern's logic. And there you have it. Mastering nested loops is the key to pattern creation and logic. Follow for more coding concepts.